It was one of the first things that Coach O'Shea had said to me when I came here. Whatever you want out of this, we will work to give that to you. Coming in and being told that they want me to contribute, they trust that I can contribute, has been at first incredibly daunting, but then so rewarding. I really love being able to work with the offensive line guys, these professionals that trust my opinion on every rep or would like to go over things in the playbook. I really appreciate that kind of trust in my abilities and what I have to contribute to the program. I am leaving a much better coach than I came here, and I'm really excited because everything that I've gotten here is going to make me a better coach in the communities that I serve back home. I am incredibly indebted to the experience that I've had and the amount of care and intentionality that everyone has put into our experience. I'd like to thank Securian Canada for sponsoring the Diversity in Football program. This has been such an incredible opportunity that we wouldn't have gotten access to otherwise. So thank you again for the sponsorship.